Namaste everyone. Welcome to ICAM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see chapter 2 with recitation and meaning from sloka number 31. Swadharmamapi chavekshya na vikampitumarhasi dharmyadhiyuddhat shreyonyat kshatriyasya na vidyate. You are a warrior, and your duty, therefore, is to fight. Krishna is telling to Arjuna. And then there can be nothing more righteous for a warrior than to fight for justice and dharma. Yadrichaya chopapannam swargadvaramapavritam sukhinah kshatriyah partha labhante yuddhamidrisham. O Partha, battle opens the gates of heaven for warriors. So, any warrior who gets such a chance would only be overjoyed of the opportunity it gives. अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं सङ्ग्रामन्न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि. It is your duty to fight this war for dharma. If you do not fight, you would have avoided your own duties as a warrior. This will only bring you harm and disrepute. अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययाम् सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिः मरणादतिरिच्यते. People will always speak about your dishonorable act. It would be worse than death for you to face just to face such disrepute. भयाद्रणादुपरतं मंस्यन्ते त्वां महारथाः येषां च त्वं बहुमतः भूत्वा यास्यसि लाघवम्. Brave warriors will think that you are a coward and left the battlefield out of fear. They will no longer respect you. अवाच्यवादांश्च बहून् वदिष्यन्ति तवाहिताः निन्दन्तस्तव सामर्थ्यं ततो दुःखतरन्नु किम्. Your enemies will now question your capabilities. Is there anything more painful and shameful more than that? हतो वा प्राप्स्यसि स्वर्गं जित्वा वा भोक्ष्यसे महीम् तस्मादुत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धाय कृतनिश्चयः. O son of Kunti, if you die in battle, you will attain heaven. If you win, you will attain the earth. So get up and fight it out. सुख दुःखे समे कृत्वा लाभालाभौ जयाजयौ ततो युद्धाय युज्यस्व नैवं पापमवाप्स्यसि. Treat joy and sorrow, victory and defeat, gain and loss alike and prepare yourself for battle. Do not fear that you will be sinning. येषा ते भिहिता सांख्ये बुद्धिर्योगे त्विमां शृणु बुद्ध्या युक्तो यया पार्थ कर्मबन्धं प्रहास्यसि. O son of Kunti, it is your duty. I have spoken to you about how to use wisdom in Sankhya. Now, I will speak to you about the wisdom in yoga. With this wisdom, Arjuna, you will free yourself from the bondage that results from karma. नेहाभिक्रम नाशोऽस्ति प्रत्यवायो न विद्यते Swalpamapyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bhayat. No effort that you put into following your dharma is wasted, nor does it hamper your growth. Practicing your dharma, even in its midest form, saves you from harm.